Hey, I'm here at the Gerald R. Ford Presidential Museum in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I'm going to introduce you to the Gerald R. Ford attack birds. This is a fleet of birds that President Ford himself trained before he passed away to protect his museum from Democrats who enter the premises. And I have a Jimmy Carter bumper sticker on my car. As you know, Carter defeated Ford in his re-election bid in 1976, and so when the birds see that bumper sticker as I drive in, they get ready and then they attack me when I walk by, and I'm going to demonstrate that for you now.